Hi, my name is Bob Greer. I'm the owner of Greer Products, and we developed a polish dispenser. This automatically dispenses the polish as you're polishing. And what we also came up with was a disposable cartridge pre-filled system using a one-step polish. How the unit works is you put your cartridge in, and then you push the button and you get the exact amount. Every time you push it, you can override it. We also have settings for different increments you want to set for timing, so you get the exact amount. I'll show you shortly in a video. We also have rechargeable batteries for it, and we have these contacts here. And what's really cool about these contacts is we've also developed a handle. So this D handle has the contacts that match made up with this, and it's quick disconnect system. So you can slide your polishing dispenser in, and now you can activate it while you're polishing and put the material on the finish. We have what we call the paddle shifter. So when you're polishing, you just hit this. And every time you hit this, you get an increment of 0.5 seconds of polish. You also can override it if you want to, and it'll just keep pumping it out. And when it hits the end of the cartridge, this cartridge will automatically return, so you can take the cartridge out and put another one in there. We also developed a little extension tube for it, disposable extension tube. And if you look over here, we have a fit, it'll fit on any unit. We have an Orbital, we have a Makita, we have, the DeWalt, and we have a kit that has everything in it for polishing. And then you have the rechargeable kit here that comes in a 6-pack. And then there's a box right there. See if we got time, I can do a quick video here, trying to keep it quick. And so there's a unit on an Orbital with an extension feed tube. And you can see that's how much you get every time as you're polishing. That right there will go a long ways. If you want to, you can override it. And then also we have the switch here too on top that you want to lock. And you can use this handle too. This is my product. I'm very proud of it. We worked really hard to get this going, and it will save your company a lot of time when you're polishing. The labor-intensive step is huge in the refinishing, and the polish is the most labor-intensive step. Thank you. I appreciate your time.